Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 10 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palmrest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel back the other tape and lift the battery free to remove. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the trackpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Gently lift up to unplug the antenna cables. Remove 3 3mm screws from the motherboard. Gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Lift the speakers off their posts and unwind the cable from its grooves to remove. Remove 2 5mm screws from the hinge and 2 3mm screws from the daughterboard. Lift up the hinge, and gently lift up and pull back on the daughterboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Peel the trackpad cable free from the palmrest. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the trackpad cable from the trackpad. Peel back the tape that's covering the trackpad screws. And remove 3 2mm screws from the trackpad. Lift the palmrest partway up and push down to pop the trackpad free. Remove two 5mm screws from the hinge. Unwind the antenna cables and LCD cable from their grooves. And lift up on the palmrest to wiggle it free from the LCD assembly. Remove two 5mm screws from the hinge. Unwind the antenna cables and LCD cable from their grooves. And lift up on the palmrest to wiggle it free from the LCD assembly. Gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover, and slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Using the tweezers, grab the adhesive tape that's underneath the LCD panel and gently pull it back to remove. Take care not to pull too hard, as you don't want the tape to snap underneath the panel. Keep pulling until all the adhesive is removed. And do the same for the other side. Lift the panel up and gently lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Unwind the LCD cable from its grooves, and peel it free from the back cover. Using the tweezers or the spudger, gently pry the camera free from the adhesive underneath. Take care not to use too much force, as the camera can easily bend or break. To remove the camera, simply unplug it from the LCD cable. Remove two 2mm screws and 8 3mm screws from the hinges.